right now, andito ako ngayon sa San Fernando, Pampanga. I'll be interviewing a commercial model named Nix Concepcion. Okay, hi Nix! Alright, okay.
Be here.
Yan. So, Nix, this is my first question. What made you decide to pursue this profession?
Okay, actually, this was very unplanned. As I told you, I recently got back here in the Philippines, and there was just this one time na I was looking for ways to earn income.
Okay.
And my mom, she told me, bakit hindi mo i-try ngayon na may time ka na? So, I decided to audition for this one role. And by God's grace, I got the role. And fast forward, after about more than a year, I'm still doing this line of work. And I'm enjoying naman.
Oh, that's good. So, recently ba, ano yung mga projects mo ngayon na pagiging commercial model?
Okay. If you check my socials, I recently did a commercial with Insular Life with Dato Puti, and I think my latest ad was with Maayo Terraces. Ayun, Maayo
I
Terraces.
see. Alright. So, Nix, so far, as a commercial model, what is the biggest challenge for you?
Oh, okay. The biggest challenge for me. That's a challenging question. I guess up until na I have stage fright actually. So, pati ngayon kinakabahan ako na in-interview ako at may camera na nakatapat sa akin.
Okay.
Yes, I may be a commercial model, but I'm still afraid of cameras and yung pag madaming tao.
Correct. Very common.
Yeah, but I just got used to it, parang day by day, you're doing the same thing.
Correct.
You have parang no choice but to just show up
Correct.
and do it.
Tama. Kumbaga parang all skill siya. Tama. Kasi through repetitions, mastery is formed, correct?
Yes.
Alright.
Exactly.
Okay. So next, ito ang next question ko. So as a commercial model, what is the best financial advice you have received?
Okay. I had this advice before from my aunt. Sabi niya, you should always have multiple streams of income.
Correct.
And by that, you have to have multiple bank accounts. Okay. Okay. Sige, siguro at least 3, 2 or 3. Better if 3. One account would be for your daily expenses, syempre, di ba? So, kung may groceries ka, or kung kakain ka sa labas, makikipag-date ka, or gusto mo lang gumastos.
Yes.
So, you have to have a separate bank account for that. And then, next naman, your bank account for your savings.
Correct.
Syempre, we always have to have those emergency savings. Dapat ito untouchable daw.
Tama.
So, better if passbook yan.
Okay.
Tapos, whenever you have extra lang from your income, maglagay ka lang ng maglagay doon.
Kumbaga passbook para hindi talaga maggalaw.
Oo
Correct?
parang it's that kind of discipline, especially for people like me na medyo magastos. Pero kasi when you have a goal in life na makapag-save up for something, or you just want to parang magtabi, kung gusto mo lang magtabi, it's important na you discipline yourself.
Yes, wow.
Ayun.
Alright.
And lastly, you have your bills, right?
Correct.
Diba? So, syempre, those are commitments that you made. May responsibilities ka. I don't know, baka kumuha ka ng property or a new car, diba? That's your responsibility now. So, dapat, from your income, nagtatabi ka na din nung exact amount for that bank account and hindi mo rin siya ginagalaw. Non-negotiable dapat yun.
Kumbaga, you're not putting everything in one basket. Well diversified ang funds natin. Okay, so my final question next, okay? What is your major financial goal this year?
Okay, simply to save a lot. That's it. I just wanna save as much as I can.
Alright. Okay, so that's it. I have interviewed one of my commercial model friend, Nix. Thank you, Nix, ha?
For having me.
Thank you.